Hi folks, this is Samik and today I am going to walk you through one of the interesting marketplace of Vercel where you can get all the AI starter repo kits. Why this is important? See, this is AI starter repo are new and Vercel AI SDK is new. LLMs don't have many context about it and whatever context they get from docs. The problem with documentation is that the documentations are written for human beings and they are written for very simple use cases. But suppose if I want to integrate database or if I want to integrate any other third party technology, then I need a reference guide. Already someone who has implemented this will be a great addition, isn't it? If someone has not implemented and if you want to implement it, we have to go through a lot of documentation code and a lot of other things which we don't want to do. Otherwise, that defeats the purpose of vibe coding, right? So vibe coding is all about giving context to LLM and prompting it in a way that it gives you results so that you don't have to write code on your own. And that's where giving reference code comes in. And that's where this marketplace of Vercel is very important because right now all the LLM AI chatbot are built on Vercel AI SDK. So this is the templates which I'm going to refer. So you can see this is AI app templates and examples. So this if you go to this marketplace, I will give the link in the description and you can go through it. And here you can see all the starter repos are there, but I want AI and in that so I will click this specifically for AI only. And you can see Next.js AI Chatbot is there. So this is a simple integration where if you want to test it first, you can always test it through view demo and you can see what it supports, like the image it supports. So if I give what is this, you can see everything will be got as a context. You can see this is done, right? Since image is there and it is most probably saving in database. So this is one of the great example you can get in the market and you can see the code as well. So if I go to the app and if I go to chat, then you will get all the actions, the page and the API related to the chat. So you can see how file upload working, history works, and then suggestions work, and then how the real chat actually works. I don't think so. Right now, it supports tool usage for this particular application, but this is again a great example to learn how to implement chat. See, this is done. Okay, so this is a great tool, and you can see all the histories getting saved. And I want to select one reasoning model. I can select reasoning model, and if I want to share it to the public, I can share it to the public. And this is a great example. So let me ask: do you have any tool at your dispose? If there is any tool, it will suggest, and if there is no, it will not suggest. So you can see it has given us a blank response. So we can download this response, we can copy this response. Since there is no text to copy, that's why this is coming upon. And you can understand how things are working, right? And this is one of the template which you can use. Another template which I like, and that is this RAG bot. So RAG, let me go to one of the repo code which I like, and that is okay. So here it is not given in this marketplace. Yeah, here it is given in the marketplace, which is designed by the Vercel team itself. So if I go to the RAG, and you can see all the RAG related information is there. So if you go to the GitHub code, you can see all related to PG vector and everything is given here. So I will just go and show you the code directly. And if you go to app review, then there's the API, and here it is. Here the page we have. So if I have to show you how this is done, so you can say we have to give a Postgres database. So you can either give your own localhost Postgres database or you can use NeonDB for this use case. And if you go to the library, we will see all this schema related code. So you can see embedding schema is created here, with embeddings table, and for resources we have like resources table and then select schema. So these are all the things which you require to create a RAG chatbot. So you can use RAG chatbot if you are building customer care applications where people will come and search for some features and it will suggest from the trained data. So that's where RAG chatbot will help you. So this is a great starting point to build one RAG with Vercel AI SDK, and yes, it uses PG vector behind the scenes. So this is really amazing. And another tool which I like, and here I have like selected here this one, AI SDK image generator. So it uses Replicate, Fireworks, Google Vertex AI, and OpenAI for image generation. So all the four models are already there. So if you want to create some image generating applications, you can refer this code. And again, if you go to this code, here you will get all the app related code. So they have written a very good documentation as well as they have written very good code which you can follow along. And if you go to image playground, so this image playground will show you the function. So let's see if we have image playground. Yes, this is the image playground component, and you can see all the code is related here. How to change the model change and how to handle the prompt submit, and here you can see prompt input is going there. We are getting the model props and we can see all the UI related changes here. And for image display, you can see what we are using. So everything is written in this repository. So if you want to build an AI generating image generating application which uses AI, and this is the one of the great repo which you can refer to for code. It uses Vercel AI SDK behind the scenes. So this is one of the Goldmine which I was referring to and I am referring to right now. And this is really a great starting point. You can see there are different AI QR code generator, Gemini AI chatbot which uses booking. If you want to book a travel agent using Gemini, you can use it. This is again a great. If you want to use AI headshot generator, the code is there. You can generate AI headshots in minutes. So these are developed by some people. They have given this code, and also Vercel team has worked very hard to create this repos. So you can go PDF to quiz generator. If you have a PDF and you want to create quiz, you can refer this. And if you want to see the demo, you can always see the demo. So you can see how this uses Vercel AI SDK behind the scenes. So it is not about only chat. You can also create PDF. So for example, maybe I have PDF. Let me see. Okay, I don't have any PDF right now. Let me see whether I have any PDF which I can give. So I have a Nate Hertz PDF. Let me give it and see what type of quiz it generates for us. So it is right now analyzing the PDF content, and I'm not sure whether we have to give Gemini Pro API ID or not. But what I have observed that Vercel team in the demo they have used their own API kit so that you can demo it, and they have given their own. You can see which of the following is not considered as an input to AI agent according to the document. So this is a great, so not considered as an input to an AI agent. Okay, what is not core agent is not considered, I guess. Okay, so right now it will give me the result in the last. What is the first challenge mentioned in the document? So I don't know about. So we will just do this and let's see the result in the end. So you can see if core agent was right because we sort of clicked the right option, and you can see we other three we just click to check the result, and you can see we can reset the quiz, we can try another PDF. So this is a great example to get started. So you can refer this AI starter SDK kits for your own use case. If you have any comments or if you have any doubts or if you want anything from me regarding AI agents and regarding AI SDK code, please refer to the comment section. And if you want the URL for this Vercel marketplace, you will get again in the description below. See you in the next video. Bye guys.